Hi guys, Theresa here with Yellow Daisy. This morning I thought I would make a list, set my timer for 1 hour, and get some stuff done before our day got started. And hopefully this will motivate you to get some stuff done around your home. Okay, here's my list. I want to wash my kitchen and bath rugs, clean out my pantry, clean out the inside of the refrigerator. In my laundry room, I'd like to clean out the cabinets, wipe down the fronts of the cabinets, and dust off the top of the cabinets. If I have time, I want to dust the walls and the baseboards and wash my kitchen floor. I hope you enjoy this Power Hour clean with me. So let's set the timer and get started. Okay, it's currently 10:13, so I have until 11:13 to get everything done. So first on my list is to wash the kitchen and bath rugs. So I will go on and gather those and put those in the wash machine. Now on to the pantry. It really just needs to be straightened up a little bit. I did do a complete declutter and organization of my pantry, so I will link that video below for you. I'm still not happy with the bottom of my pantry. I don't like all that stuff on the ground, but right now I haven't come up with a solution for that, so I just have to keep it, kind of organized as much as I can. So here's a fun little fact about us. My husband and I do not have a dog, but our kids do. So of course we have to have treats for when they come over. So that's what I'm doing there, is I was organizing the dog's little treats. And for the fridge, I'm just going through making sure there's no old leftovers or anything expired. And then I'm wiping down the inside of my refrigerator with vinegar and water and a couple drops of the Thieves essential oil. Okay, you get a little sneak peek of what I want to do in my laundry room makeover. Yep, that is shiplap up there. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that video that'll be coming out real soon. And I'm wiping down my cabinets with the vinegar, water, a little bit of Dawn, and the Thieves essential oil. Okay, my time is up. So let's go to the list and see what all I got done. Okay, so the bath and the kitchen rugs are in the washing machine. I cleaned out my pantry, cleaned out the refrigerator. In the laundry room, I got all the cabinets cleaned out. I wiped them down and I dusted the top of them. I did dust the walls, but I did not get the baseboards or wash the kitchen floor. So I'll go on and do that after this power hour, and it'll be all completed. Guys, I hope this motivated you for you to go set a timer for an hour and see what kind of things you can get done around your house. If you're not subscribed to our channel, we would love for you to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our family here at Yellow Daisy. And we wanted to wish you a great Wednesday. And until the next one, bye-bye.